Good morning, students. In last class, we have taken the Kelvin-Benson cycle or C3 cycle. Today, we are going to completing this topic, okay, and revise this. 6 CO2 molecules from atmosphere and 6 water molecules are enter in the leaves through stomata. Here ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate or RUBP is act as CO2 acceptor. So for 6 CO2 molecules there are 6 RUBP molecules. These RUBP react with 6 H2O and 6 CO2 molecules and form the 3-phosphoglyceric acid compound. 3-phosphoglyceric acid or 3-PGA is a 3-carbon compound. It means 6 RUBP converted into 3-PGA in the presence of Rubisco enzyme. Rubisco means ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase enzyme, but Rubisco have affinity with more CO2 compared to oxygen. So it is also known as RUBP carboxylase enzyme. It is the first step or first phase of C3 cycle. Then 3-PGA is called as first stable compound of C3 cycle. So 6 RUBP converted into 12 molecule of 3-PGA, and 3-PGA is a 3-carbon compound. That's why Kelvin-Benson cycle is called as C3 cycle. Afterward, 3-PGA convert into 1,3-di-PG in the presence of triose phosphokinase enzyme. Function of kinase enzyme is that addition of phosphate in this 3 number carbon of phosphoglyceric acid phosphate group is added. After that, phosphorylation process occurs in the presence of triose phosphokinase enzyme and using of 12 ATP molecules of light reaction. Then 12 inorganic phosphates are formed. These 12 inorganic phosphate bind at first position of phosphoglyceric acid, then first number and third number carbon of PGA have phosphate group. It means 3-PGA converted into 1,3-di-PG. Their molecules numbers are as it is, and it is also 3-carbon compound. Next, reductional step is occurs 1,3-di-PGA 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid converted into 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde, full form of PGL, phosphoglyceraldehyde, and full form of PGA, phosphoglyceric acid. So there is difference in the full form. Triose phosphate dehydrogenase. Dehydrogenase enzymes are used in the reduction process. So 1,3-di-PGA reduced to 3-PGL in the presence of triose phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme using 12-NADPH2 of light reaction and converted into 12-NADPH plus H plus. Okay. Next, 12 molecules of 3-PGL. It is also 3-carbon compound converted into 3-DHAP. Full form of DHAP, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, and both are interconvertible in the presence of triose phosphate isomerase enzyme. It means PGL and DHAP are isomers in each other and both are 3-carbon compound. So 12 molecules of 3-PGL is formed through 1,3-di-PGA and 3-DHAP is the interconvertible form of 3-PGL. It is the reductional process. Now, 2 molecules of 3-PGL and 3-DHAP form fructose 1,6-bisphosphate in the presence of aldolase enzyme, and remaining 10 molecules of 3-PGL and DHAP enter in the regeneration of ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. So 2 molecules of 3-PGL and DHAP help in the hexose sugar formation. Then 3-carbon of PGL and 3-carbon of DHAP form fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, and fructose is the 6-carbon sugar. Further, in the presence of phosphatase enzyme, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate converted into fructose 6-phosphate. Function of phosphatase is remove of phosphate group and form fructose 6-phosphate. It means at the position of first carbon and 6 carbon of fructose sugar, phosphate group were added. After remove of phosphate group, at 6th position of fructose sugar, then fructose 6-phosphate is formed. Further, fructose 6-phosphate converted into glucose 6-phosphate in the presence of fructose phosphate isomerase enzyme, because glucose and fructose are isomers. Okay. Next, glucose 6-phosphate converted into glucose sugar, and these all are 6 carbon in the presence of phosphatase enzyme. There at the 6th position, phosphate group is removed by phosphatase enzyme, and adding of one water molecule. So glucose sugar is formed by 3-PGL and DHAP in the presence of aldolase sugar. It means two molecules of 3-PGL help in the formation of one molecule of hexose sugar. Further, glucose convert into sucrose. As we know that sucrose is synthesized in cytosol. What is the cytosol? Remove of cell organelles from cytoplasm, then remaining liquid contents of the cell is known as cytosol. So sucrose sugar is synthesized in the plant cell in cytosol part, and starch is synthesized in the chloroplast of cell, and this process is the formation of hexose sugar, and it is also known as reverse glycolysis because these steps occurs in glycolysis, where glucose converted into 2-pyruvic acid, but these steps are just reverse of glycolysis because in this process we want to make the glucose. Next, third step of C3 cycle is regeneration of RUBP. As we know that 6 molecules of RUBP and 6 molecules of water converted into 3-PGA in the beginning of this cycle. But 6 RUBP molecules are necessary in the end of cycle because continuity for this cycle, regeneration of RUBP is necessary. So remaining 10 molecules of PGL and DHAP, 6 RUBP molecules are formed and 2 molecules are helped in the hexose sugar formation. Now we are going to discuss about the conclusion of C3 cycle. As we know that there are 12 ATP plus 6 ATP. It means total 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2 are used in the formation of hexose sugar and regeneration of RUBP. These 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2 are formed in light reaction. So regeneration of RUBP is a complex process, but in this cycle we have taken only bypass step. It means last step of regeneration of RUBP and in the presence of phosphopentokinase. It means phosphorylation. It is also known as phosphorylation. 3-PGA converted into 1,3-dipGA. It is also known as phosphorylation. So there are two places phosphorylations occurs. It means inorganic phosphates are added in the presence of kinase enzyme. Now we are going to talk about the detail of regeneration step. reaction of C3 cycle, six CO2 plus 12 NADPH2 plus 18 ATP converted into glucose plus 12 NADPH plus H plus 12 ATP. And it is fully enzymatic reaction in the presence of enzymes. Net production according to carbon number, as you know that for one carbon 3 ATP are needed. It means 3 ATP are formed in light reaction for one carbon, but there is 6 carbon for one glucose. So for 6 carbon or 6 CO2 molecules, 18 ATP are needed, because C3 cycles repeated for 6 times. For one carbon or one CO2 molecule, 12 NADPH2 2 NADPH2 are formed in light reaction. Then for 6 carbon or 6 CO2 molecules, 12 NADPH2 are necessary. So 12 ATP and 12 NADPH2 are used in dark reaction for making the hexose sugar or glucose. Okay. Now regeneration of RUBP, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. So there are following steps for regeneration of RUBP. In first step, three PGL plus 3 DHAP form fructose 6-phosphate in the presence of aldolase enzyme. Second step, fructose 6-phosphate react with 3 PgL, fructose 6-phosphate is the 6 carbon, and 3 PgL is a 3 carbon compound. In the presence of trans ketolase enzyme, and formation of two different type of sugar, erythrose 4-phosphate plus xylulose 5-phosphate. Erythrose 4-phosphate is a 4 carbon sugar and xylulose is a 5 carbon sugar. 6 carbon plus 3 carbon form 4 carbon and 5 carbon sugar. Two different sugar. In next step, erythrose 4-phosphate react with 3-DHAP in the presence of trans aldolase. Three DHAP 3 carbon, erythrose 4 carbon, and converted into a 7 carbon sugar is named as pseudoheptulose 1,7-bisphosphate. First position and 7th position carbon of pseudoheptulose sugar phosphate group are added. Next, pseudoheptulose 1,7-bisphosphate into pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate in the presence of phosphatase enzyme. It means phosphatase enzyme remove the phosphate group at first position. Next step, pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate react with 3 PgL 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde in the presence of trans ketolase enzyme. 3 PgL is 3 carbon compound and it is 7 carbon compound. Then two different type of sugars are formed. First, ribose 5-phosphate plus xylulose 5-phosphate. Ribose sugar is 5 carbon compound and xylulose sugar is also 5 carbon. Next step, xylulose 5-phosphate converted into ribulose 5-phosphate in the presence of phosphopentoepimerase enzyme. Next step, ribose 5-phosphate converted into ribulose 5-phosphate in the presence of isomerase enzyme. Okay, there two molecule, both are 5 carbon sugar, 2 molecule of ribulose 5-phosphate and 4 molecule of ribulose 5-phosphate. Both sugar form 6 molecule of RUBP. In the presence of phosphopentokinase enzyme using 6 ATP molecules of light reaction. So these steps represent the regeneration of RUBP.